Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get cat face with ears. So you can start with the marketplace, and now you have to scroll down a bit and click on recently created. Now you have to scroll down again, or if you don't see anything, you can in price set zero maximum. I will see the new faces, and now click on this cat face with ears and click on get now, and you just get it. So you can to tube it, you have to go to your car and go to head and body and go to style. Now you have to click on this cat face with ear, and that's how it looks. So to give a greater and rich look, you have to remove your hair. You can remove your hair. This how it looks. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.